What's up, guys? In this video, I want to show you how to use localprospects.ai to build the most overpowered lead list possible to help you do outreach and close deals with local business owners to sell your marketing services. So most tools out there that scrape leads are going to go and find stuff from Google Maps, no problem, but they won't give you all the enriched data that you need to stand out from the crowd and to write really effective personalized emails and cold call scripts that make it seem like you spent an hour of research on each business. So you can go and make an account for free, and I'm gonna run you through exactly how to get up and running, to run a search, and also how to use my favorite part of this tool, which is actually this skill that you can run in Claude Code, Cursor, Codex, or really any AI-enabled tool. You can make an account really easily. Once you do that, you can go into the search area, and now we can actually start running some searches through the UI here. So I'll type in an example like plumber in Irvine, and I'll just start this off. So this will scrape Google Maps first, and then for every lead that has a website, it's going to go in and use AI to find more details. So like the owner name, any emails on the website. Then it's going to actually verify those emails, and we're also going to get a bunch of information on the website itself that'll allow us to write really good personalized copy because we know everything about their business. So I'll let this run for a little bit and come back. It usually takes about a couple minutes for this whole thing to be complete. All right, so our leads came back. Let's see what we have. So we have 230 businesses for plumber in Irvine, California, and we have their website for some of them. We've got the owner's name for about half of them, and then emails are here, phone numbers, the phone type, and we also have other emails that are found coming in here. If we go down further, we see all the pages scraped. So I can actually open up one of these businesses and see more about it in this view. So we have this just-in-time plumber. Justin is the owner. And if I scroll down a bit more, I see their socials and then all of the page content from their website. So this is super useful for writing personalized email copy, or even getting a cold call script together and having a lot of ammo to go and sell your service to Justin in this case. So I can now just export this to CSV, and we can import this into, let's say, Instantly or GHL, or run this through a one-click website if you're using that. And it's the same information as we see on that table there. So this was the slow way to do it. If you want to run multiple at the same time, you can. You got to just fill them in and click search. The best way to use this tool is actually to use this skill down here. And this says it's for Claude Code, but it actually works for any AI agent that can send API requests. So I'm going to copy this skill file. And now I'm open in Claude Code Desktop. So I went over to the code area, and I'm going to paste in that whole prompt, turn this on bypass permissions. And then the last thing I'm going to do is paste in my API key. You can get it from the dashboard here. Super simple. So I'll copy that in. I'll just make sure it knows this is my API key. And then I can now tell it to pretty much run whatever I want to run. So if we're going to do, let's say, roofers is our main niche, I'll say roofers, search all of SoCal for me, max of 12 searches. And after that, I'm pretty much done. So I'll just come back when this is finished. By the end of this, it'll compile a CSV of all 12 searches, and we should have something like over 1,000 plus leads. All right, so Claude Code is all done getting this list together for us. And it says we have over 2,000 rows. So I'll have this open the CSV for us. All right, so here it is. We have the first column is Google Maps rank, and then we have all this other stuff. Owner names are here. About 50% of these will come through on average. Same for emails. We've got the phones, the phone types, all the basic Google Maps information, these social media links that we found, logo URL, main page URL from Google Business Profile, and then even more phone numbers and emails. And then here we have the actual website content, including the meta title and the full text for each page, up to 5 whole pages. So as you can see, this is super rich, and we're going to use this now to write a custom email for every single person that has one. So the next thing I'll do is say, make a new column. We are going to write a personalized email for each person using the data from their site and owner name. I want to sell them a local SEO package to help them rank higher. You can write a draft email and we can work on it before writing for each lead that has an email. Once you're finished with your sample email, you can have it then write a personalized email for every single person and then import that CSV into something like Instantly or GHL, and boom, you're done. You have 759 personalized outreach messages if you're doing email. If you're doing cold calling, you're gonna have a lot more of them because the phone numbers are almost 100% found rate. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, just ping us in the chat here. And yeah, happy scraping.